A concrete shed base is the strongest type of shed foundation. It is at the heavier end of the work you will do to build your shed. A concrete slab is without a doubt the most durable form of shed foundation. Dense, well-compacted concrete provides a level, stable base that is resistant to frost and localized ground movement. A level concrete slab is a good base on which to construct a timber subfloor. Damp from the ground is minimized by using a PVC damp-proof membrane beneath the slab. Use treated timber batons to rise the timber floor deck off the concrete surface to stop damp getting into the floor. This also allows air to circulate beneath the floor, which enables damp air to dissipate. If you have wheeled equipment that you need to get in and out of the shed, having a concrete floor means that the level of the floor can be close to the ground. A disadvantage of timber floors is that if they are subject to persistent damp conditions, then the timber can start to decay. This isn't a problem with concrete, so storing machinery that is put away whilst damp won't have long-term applications for the durability of the floor. As you can see from the above, concrete is good for the heavier duty end of shed floors/foundations. They aren't ideal or optimal for every situation. If you are on the edge about whether you need a concrete shed base or not, the following disadvantages may help you to make the right choice for you. A concrete shed base takes a while to install. It also takes a fair bit of effort to remove if you decide to change your garden layout. Breaking up a 3 or 4 inch thick concrete slab takes quite some doing with hand tools, so you may well have to pay for some heavier equipment to get it out further down the line if you want to remove it. There is also a surprisingly large amount of rumble to remove. In contrast, using pad foundation reduces the amount of demolition required. Also, smaller pad foundations, such as paving slabs, can be reused as foundations elsewhere. Example, Bonte's shed. Concrete bases for sheds are the most expensive type of foundations. This is due to the amount and weight of material involved and the labor required to move and place it. To estimate the cost of a concrete base, you will need to know the volume of concrete required. To do this, multiply the plan area of the shed and the thickness of base that you intend to use. Once you have established the cost of materials, you will also need to add in a time estimate for the cost of labor and machinery. More on how to work out a cost later. To estimate the cost of a concrete base, you will need to know the volume of concrete required. To do this, multiply the plan area of the shed and the thickness of base that you intend to use. Thanks for watching. Until next time.